boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we are on lesson 10, and lesson 10 is going to look like this. So make sure you have that. Write your name if you can up at the top. If not, that's okay. And then we're also going to have this practice worksheet for our letter G. All right, let's get started with our alphabet. We have our alphabet that has 26 letters. We have our vowels and consonants that are part of the alphabet. Our vowels, we have 5, and it's A, E, I, O, and U. And then our consonants, there's 26 of them, or 21 of them. That's the rest of the letters in the alphabet. On our little sheet, our vowels are in red, and our consonants are in black. Let's read the alphabet together. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job. Today we are going to talk about the beginning sound in a word. The beginning sound is what you hear in the beginning, at first, the initial sound. So if we're talking about the word lose, what do we hear at the beginning of that? Lose. We hear the l sound, right? All right. Next we're going to do gum. G, gum. Hear that g at the beginning? Yeah. Next we have go. G, g, go. It's that g sound again. Next we have look. 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 L, or sorry, that sound. All right, next we have lady. Lady. Yeah. Next we have odd. Odd. The sound. Next we have game. G, g, game. G, g. Right, the g sound. Next we have on. On. That sound. Next we have goat. G, goat. G, g, goat. Yep, the g sound. And last we have ox. Ox. The sound. Correct. We're going to go over our picture cards again real quick today just to refresh. For our l sound, we have lion, lion, and that's our letter L. And we have octopus, our letter O, Remember, this is called a brev. It's a little like smile face. And that tells us it's the short O sound, We'll learn about long O later. Next, we learned last is our goat. Goat, g, goat. And that's our G. All right. We learned how to write the lowercase letter G last time. Today we're going to talk about our capital G. Here's our worksheet. And our capital G looks like this. So we go around like a big circle almost to the top, but then we stop and then we go in. So if we're going to skywrite that, remember our hand is straight. And we start over here kind of across our bodies and we go up in a big circle almost all the way around, and then we stop and we draw a line in. All right, practice doing that with me. Big circle, up and in. All right. Well, number 1, let's write down our g sound. When we say g, G. So let's write down our G. I gotta find my marker. It disappeared on me. Whenever we write down the letters, we're always going to write a lowercase letter, not an uppercase. So anytime I'm asking you, we're going to do this, you're going to do phonics all the way up till 3rd grade. So you're always going to write the lowercase letter. So we're going to write our G. Excuse Miss White's, it's my marker's not working very well. On number 2, we're going to write down the L L, and that's our letter L, and we're going to write it down. Our letter L is just line down. Very easy. One line down. All right, and lastly we're going to do ah, like octopus, ah. And that's our letter O, and we're going to write down an O. All right, see how we have our O written down there. All right, now down here we're looking at recognizing the capital letter G. Now, I'm not going to lie, they got tricky on us on this one, because do you notice how the capital G here looks a little different than the capital G here? It does, but you still can kind of see they just added a couple little extra things. It still goes around like a big circle, up and then in. So we're going to circle all of those. This first one here is a G. Not a G, not a G. Here we have a G. Over here, no. Oh, there's another G. Down here, yep, that's G. Here's a G. Here's a G. And last is a G. Let's count how many G's we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We found 7. And you know, even though the G here looks different than the G down here, sometimes that's a good skill to have, because sometimes they just use different fonts when they're typing, and as you grow up you're going to have to learn to recognize different ways letters look. Alrighty, that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time.